Knowing the right types of products to buy for Amazon FBA is very hard, especially if you are a new seller and new to the world of selling on Amazon. So that's why in today's video, we're going to be showing you the right types of products you should be buying for your Amazon FBA business. And these are all live Amazon FBA deals which can actually be purchased. So welcome back to the Profitl YouTube channel. If you did take any value from today's video, please do hit that subscribe button. It really does help our channel grow. We post out Amazon FBA videos every Thursday for free to help give advice about selling on Amazon and hopefully stop you making the mistakes a lot of new sellers make when they start their journey. So today's video is one for the newer sellers and specifically those who like online arbitrage, as we're going to be showing you the types of deals you should be looking at for your Amazon FBA business. So let's get into some products. So all these products I'm showing you today are all online arbitrage deals. This means we're buying from other retailers. So we buy it for cheap from a retailer. Often it's a discounted item or we can use a discount code, and then we sell it for more on Amazon. Now, of course, there is a lot more which goes into it than we buy it for cheap and we sell it for more, and I'll be explaining that to you today. But that is your very first step for any Amazon FBA deal, is can we buy it for less than we're going to sell it for on Amazon? So this first sort of product I'm going to show you is from Dunelm. So this is a discounted item, so it's in the sale at the moment. So this green pan Venice Pro non-stick pan set was originally £70, but it's now £35. So it's exactly half price, and these are a great way to find Amazon FBA deals, because if you're getting at half price, it doesn't usually mean it's going to be half price on Amazon as well. So this one we can buy for £35 and it sells on Amazon for £88.70. So actually over double the price. Now, we need to analyze the data on this item, and to do that we use the Profitl Chrome extension, which helps us understand all the important information. So we've got it up just on the sidebar just here. I can run you through all the data. We can also summarize this deal using AI. But the first thing we're looking at is the sales. So we can see it's selling 51 sales a month. Now this one's a bit different because it's a variation listing, so it means these sales are going to be split between all the different variations. So you do need to be a little bit careful with variation products, but it's quite easy on Profitl to understand which ones are the most popular variations, because we scroll down and we can go in variation sales and we can see that this set is getting half the sales, so about 29 sales a month. Now the next thing we're looking at is our profit. So this one is a brilliant profit. So 92% return on investment, £32 profit per unit. Now realistically this price will drop, but when you're buying it really cheap and it's really high on Amazon, it just gives you a lot more flexibility for your pricing, knowing hopefully you're not going to get undercut and lose your profit margin. Now, although we look at this profit of £32, our most important metric is the return on investment figure. And that's because it's the same no matter the price we're buying it for. So it helps you run a standard for your business. Typically look at 30% as a minimum. So this one we're getting 92%, which is fantastic. We've got 4 FBA sellers on this listing. That's going to be our main competition. You don't want too many FBA sellers on a listing. We'll also, before we buy any deal, we always check out things like how much stock they're holding, their price graphs, how the buy box is being shared out, and just check out all the average data for an item to try and understand if it's worth buying or not. So that's one deal and you could use for your Amazon FBA business. Probably if you're a new starter, more expensive items you'll leave until you become more experienced, just because of course it's a big investment for you to buy expensive stock when you're still learning your business. But let's get into an item which is a little bit cheaper, and hopefully from this video today, not only do you learn about the types of products you could sell, you can also use it to learn new websites for Amazon sourcing, because a lot of these online arbitrage websites you may not have heard of, and this one's a prime example. So this is called Campus Gifts. And these are great for Jellycat items, which are really good for Amazon FBA. And this is another discounted one. So we can buy this Jellycat lobster for £17.56, usually £21.95, and it sells on Amazon for £41.98. So this is going to be another one with really, really high profit. Again, that does mean the price may drop, does typically do that. That's what we use these price graphs for, just to understand what the price has been doing, whether it's a high price now, whether it's a low price now. So we can see it is a slightly higher price than normal. We can also use the average data just here to see that the average buy box price over last year has been about £32, and if we're selling for £32, Still £6.49 profit, so not too bad overall. We're getting 40 sales a month on this one, and this isn't a variation listing. That means this one product is getting all of them 40 sales. 4 FBA sellers on this listing, so again, not too much competition. That's another deal right there which has potential for your Amazon FBA business. Now, before we did get into our next product, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive discount code for our YouTube viewers if you were interested in joining Profitl. So you've seen our Chrome extension already, but we also have a DealFinder to help you find deals like this. We have a wholesale scanner, we have our AI tools, we have the most amazing Discord community full of like-minded sellers. So we'll make the discount codes pop up just here. That's going to save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans already have over 20% off. So make sure to take that down if you were looking to save some money on your Profitl subscription. Now onto our next type of product you can sell, and this one's slightly different. This is what we call multi-pack items. So this Canderel sweetener on Tesco, £1 each using a club card. But check this out, a pack of 3 of these is selling on Amazon for £8.30. So how does this actually work? Well, what we do is we buy lots of these and we combine them into a pack of 3. So that's our single unit. So it means our unit cost is going to be £3 total, and we're going to sell it on Amazon for £8.30. So buying it for £3, selling it for £8.30. And these are a great way to earn extra profit on Amazon. Not only can you do these as multi-packs, you can also bundle items as well. So you can have different types of items bundled together. And it's a really, really good way to think outside the box and make good profit on Amazon. But this one here is selling 22 times a month. Not a crazy seller, to be honest with you. We've got 5 FBA sellers, but it's making a really good profit per unit. 98% return on investment, £2.90 profit per unit. And realistically, when selling on Amazon, you want to try and make as much profit as possible. And that may sound very obvious, but there's no point selling items just for the sake of it, just because you want to get the revenue. Often you're better off not having the sales if it's low profit. When first starting out, you may as well sell less for higher profit rather than selling lots for less profit. But of course, it is up to you how you run your business. But it is going to make your life a lot easier, because the more sales you get, the more work involved, but it doesn't necessarily mean your profit's going to be that much more. So just there is a few types of products you could actually buy for your Amazon FBA business. Now, quick disclaimer, we probably don't recommend to buy these actual products just because, of course, they're getting seen by quite a lot of people. We also send these deals out into our Discord community with 5,000 members in. So please just use them as inspiration. And of course, many of these you are going to be gated in as well, which means you need permission from Amazon to sell. If you do want to learn how to get ungated, please check out our video just up here. It's not too difficult getting ungated on online and retail arbitrage products, but it is just a bit of work. So make sure to also check that out. But that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do hit that subscribe button if you did take any value, but we'll see you in the next one.